What's up, guys? So this video is about the Xterra Nismo front bumper. I've had it installed now for probably 2 weeks, and it really does take two of you to install. My factory bumper and original grill were kind of just all trash, and I knew they were coming out with this since like, I don't know, earlier this year. And just been waiting for it. I was on the waiting list and they finally let me know, and just bought it immediately. Bought the new grill because I had the older style grill for the Xterra. Got the new emblem and got new headlights, so kind of refreshed the whole front end. Got a new window wiper cowl, the hood shocks. All in all, I spent like $2,000. Most of that obviously was the bumper. It's like $1,200 on the website. Then of course it was like $200 and something for shipping. So pretty decently easy install. Just, you know, it does take a couple people to hold the bumper up, and the other person kind of going back and forth between all the bolts and tightening them and making sure all your gaps are good, and then, you know, completely tightening it down after that. So put it where you want it, you know, just keep going back and forth with tightening it. The main issue was figuring out how to completely tighten down the bolts on the inside of the bumper. And I'll kind of show you. So there's 3 there and there's 3 there. I kind of finagled an impact in there, kind of without a battery. And then after I got it in there upside down, there's enough room you can sneak the battery in there, and then put the battery on, put the extension on, and then tighten the side down. And you have to remove the battery off the impact, flip it over to the other side, reinstall the battery on the impact, reinstall the extension, you know, and then continue to tighten down. So I couldn't use a normal socket wrench. It was just, I felt like something was gonna break otherwise. So I did utilize the factory metal shroud that's underneath, and I'll show you that in a minute. I kind of just, you know, it was already off anyway, so I kind of just bent it a little bit. It didn't take much to line it up. I know they're coming out with the Nismo, like the skid plate. So depending on how much that is, I'll probably get it. So yeah, got the new grill, headlights, bumper. I'm looking at getting the Nismo wheels. I think they're the same offset, so I don't know, I might end up getting spacers too. And I think that was pretty much it. From what I spent, can't recall anything else. So yeah, the metal shroud, the factory metal shroud, you can kind of see, I mean, it's, you know, it doesn't look as good as the bumper. It doesn't match, but it lines up and it does the purpose, you know, protecting the oil pan and whatnot. So like I said, until they get the skid plate, that's how I'm running it. So it just, I mean, this completely changed the whole look of my front end. So that's what I was looking for. Bumper and everything just looked trashed and dated. So this kind of, at least for what it is, you know, being a 2006 kind of made it look a little newer. So I think it was worth it to me. Yeah, if you have any questions on the install or whatnot, you know, if you're contemplating on getting the bumper, you know, ask any questions, I'll get back to you. And I would say just go ahead and get it. If you got the money, go ahead and get it. I know a lot of the other Nismo stuff is back ordered. I'm not sure about the bumpers. But yeah, it's really heavy duty and it's got that kind of textured feel to it. You can kind of see it. I mean, it's not like real bumpy or anything, but it's not smooth. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, leave a comment if you have any questions and I'll get back to you later on.